My name is Gala from Galainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this cute bear from orange. First I cut top and bottom from orange. To separate fruit without damage from skin, I use spoon. Next step, I cut out 2 paws for my bear. I make it as simple as possible because personally I don't like complicated designs. With same technique, by just changing shape of ears, we can make cute body. After I done with my cutting out paws, I can decide how I going to serve it. Or I'm going to serve orange as is, or I just place fruits inside. On this point, I can easily remove orange from skin and decided how I'm going to serve it. Next step, I'm going to make eyes for my bear. We can use with straw different fruits and place instead of eyes, but I'm going just make it upside down and draw on it with black edible Wilton marker, because it's not so noticeable when we draw on the skin directly. Face for my bear almost ready, just missing ears. We can cut out ears with paring knife, but for simplicity I'm going to use my 1-inch vegetable corer. Just 2 small cuts and my bear has ears. To place head on orange, I just make simple cut. So easy and so cute idea to serve orange. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.